What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. Now, as you know, Tesla just recently dropped a major update, major holiday update. So we're going to, as I'm going on a road trip right now, if you don't know, I'm going on a road trip. So we're going to test out some of these settings. Some of them range for a difference in interface on your main display within the vehicle, and some of them also touch on the actual app on your phone. So we're going to test those out and see what's going on. But first, I want to check out this new and improved light show. So let's check it out.
Perfect.
If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. It's definitely appreciated. So one update they added was the Apple Music for media improvements. You can stream over 100 million songs and the 30,000 playlists ad-free. Now this is your music and your library. So if you go to the music section, or as far as the streaming, you should be able to see the Apple Music category here. So this is Spotify. So as you can see right here, they added Apple Music. So if you click on here, you'll be able to see whatever you have here. I do not have Apple, or I have Apple Music, but I don't really use it. So you'll probably never see me using that. All right, so the next update is, like I said in my other video, dog mode. You can now view the interior cameras from the mobile app while using the dog mode or in Sentry mode. So like I said, this is if you leave your animals in the car, or you leave someone in the car and you want to look at it. Or this could easily be used for security reasons. If someone takes your car or breaks in your car and sits in it, or whatever the case is, you can look into the interior cameras now. So again, that is the camera right above your rear view camera. So you'll be able to look inside your car. The scheduled light show, like I discussed before, you can schedule the light show. You can set the time that you want the light show to start. Again, you can change what song plays during the light show, and you can also customize the actual tune or audio file on the light show. All right, so now you have climate control fan speed, so you can adjust the fan speed intensity while remaining in auto climate by selecting between low, medium, or high from the fan intensity selector in the climate control pop-up. So now they have this MyQ connected garage update. So if you have the MyQ app with your garage opener, you can now connect that to the Tesla app. So now you can just open your garage door from your vehicle without using the actual MyQ. You can just connect it to here. As you can see, to set it up, you just go to controls, locks, MyQ connected garage, link the account, and then follow the instructions from there. I don't have a MyQ account, so I won't be setting that up. All right, so the auto turn signals, you can the turn signals can automatically deactivate upon completion of a lane change, a fork, or at a merge. Before, previously, the turn signals will only turn off when you're making a full and complete turn, but now they will turn off when you're just making a lane change and you won't have to do it yourself anymore. So that's a good update. These are just some more games that are added to the toy box or the arcade mode. And again, now you can confirm a phone call transfer from your actual phone to the vehicle. It'll ask you instead of just automatically doing it now. All right, so now on the app, at least on the interface on the car, you can actually search a contact now. Before, you used to have to scroll, but now you can actually search right here. You can see it has the search icon. You click here and you actually type in who you want to search for. So that's good, so you don't have to scroll all the way through. All right, and another update, the media controls are now reorganized. They now appear here when you're driving. Instead, they used to appear down here on the map when you're driving, doing whatever you're doing. It would just appear along here, but they kind of condensed it and put it right here. Again, this is another like gimmicky kind of feature, but you can now control the emissions testing mode via your mobile Tesla app. So the little farting feature that it has on here, you can actually control that from the app now. And then always rainbows. This just, if you're familiar with the Tesla at any point or any model, this basically makes the road like a rainbow. This saying you can like make that permanent for when you're driving, and you can do that when autopilot is active. So this is good for if you like that feature. I don't know if this will actually play the sound that comes with the rainbow road mode, but as you can see, it says to enable, just tap the application launcher, go into the toy box, go into the rainbow road, and we're gonna slide down here. And then there you go, you see it says always rainbows when auto steer is engaged. To sum it up, that's pretty much what this update is about. It's a pretty massive update. It kind of touched on a lot of components when it comes to the car itself and the actual Tesla app on your phone. So we're going to be testing all of these out just to see how well they perform. The scheduled light show is a pretty good feature. I'll probably use that the most. Not so much this climate control fan speed. Yeah, but that's it for the release notes. I will keep you guys updated on how they're performing. Peace.